SII Global has been really specific about our strategic approach to who we partner with. We feel that ALPMA really facilitates the integration between the delegates and the exhibitors. So we find that that really helps us to add value to what we do. From a marketing perspective, I feel that the events that we sponsor are great value for money. I find that Nikki and her team are really encouraging and help us to try and make the most of our sponsorships. ALPMA has a fantastic reputation in the market, so partnering with ALPMA already builds credit. They've given us opportunity to get in front of the practice managers in Australia, and without having to sort of be pushy, we attend a lot of networking events where we're just there, and that for me has really helped us get in front of people who we've been probably trying to get in front of for ages and just haven't been able to do.